Hello, I'm Jonathan Myers, and this is your next dump truck.
2019 VHD triaxle dump truck with a 17-foot steel bed with a high lift gate. From front to back, we're looking at a Volvo D13 engine with a 435 horsepower and a I-shift 12-speed transmission. The front spring suspension is a 20,000 pound suspension with Michelin 315 tires. Moving to the back, we have a 100-gallon fuel tank. Then we have the Hendrickson 13,000 pound steerable drop axle, and our rear tandem is a 40,000 pound T-ride suspension with Bridgestone 11R 22.5s. This bed is 17 feet long with 52-inch sides, a high lift gate on the rear, and as you can see here, we have a 45-ton pillow hook with the glad hands ready to go. It is a strong workhorse that is ready to be put out and moving some material. Is the hood latch that is underneath the steering column. Several years ago, Volvo went to a common rail fuel injection system, which is a very precise fuel injector that really optimizes your fuel economy and the efficiency, along with the wave pistons, which really captivates the energy to maximize the power generated by this engine. This beautiful engine, and paired with the 12-speed transmission, it's ready to go. It's a workhorse, and it's going to be on the road for many, many years. Volvo redesigned their interior with driver safety and comfort in mind. We have drink holders you can move. You have your driver information display. You have your controls here for volume, phone controls. Your driver information display will have any kind of different information that you're looking for, from regenerations to the sweet spot, the fuel economy, engine oil temperatures, and things of that sort. Their aim was to put everything within a quick reach to make sure that you're able to keep your eyes on the road and the room for the CB. The Volvo engine brake uses a variable geometry charger that supercharges the engine brake to produce great stopping power. Something that one of the computers is really optimizes and makes some amazing stopping power. So this is a great comfort, very quiet, very safe, and I think it's one of the most beautiful design interiors on the market.